Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, in this video I will make a literal reading lesson A6 month and every life in the Soviet Union, the shopping ran around. The another Hendrik Smith was head of the New York Times office in Moscow from 1971 to 1974. The following piece and adapted from Mr. Smith's book, The Russian, which was published in 1976 by Veterans on the New York Times Book Company. Number 1. I had heard about consumer shortage before going to Moscow, but only when we began to shop did the Russian consumer problem really have meaning for me. Consumer the world over wide and lines, but Soviet lines have a special feel all their own. Typical, the Soviet woman spent 2 hours a day in line, 7 days a week. Personally, I have known of people who stood in line 19 minutes to buy 4 pineapple and 3 line horse to buy 3 large head of cabbage, only to find the cabbage were gone as they approached here. The front of the line can run from a few yards to nearly a mile. Some friends of ours watch lives of people in Moscow sitting out to buy rum. The line listed today and 9 and run for across all throne and apartment development. Number 2. In spite of all of this, the natural reaction of a Russian woman when she sees a line from me is to get it in an immediate, even where no one is being sold. However, Soviet lines are more fine than they ever, and mature. For example, supermarkets are not 1 but 3 lines for any purchase. The first to select a purchase and find out in French. So, the second, to buy a cashier somewhere else in the store and get a receipt. And the third, to go pick up the purchase and turn in the receipt. Number 3, but in a daily store one morning, I found out that a game is both simpler and more complex than that. I went on to buy some case better and bought sauces, which were in 3 separate departments, each with its own lines, 9 lines. Number 4, rather quick tongue, I noted that experienced shoppers were skipping the first day. They knew what most times cost, so they went directly to the cashier from their receipts. After studying prints, I did probably to 10 people to get the work over with first. I was in line less than a minute when the woman in front of me asked me to hold her her place. She darted off the butter and milk line. The cheese line was moving so slowly that she got her butt butter and milk and return before we had adventured 3 feet. I decided to take the risk too, and I got back with my butter while the chase line was still inching a lot. Number 5. Then it stood on according to me that all over the store, people were getting into line, holding place, leaving, returning. Everyone was using the chase line as home base. That was why it was barely moving. It came expanding in the middle, so I got the man behind me to hold my place, and I went off to buy my bologna lunch again. It's worth it. It took me two, two, 2 minutes to buy better sausage and cheese, but instead of being praised, I feel as if I had beaten the system. Number 6. This competitive shopping gives an atmosphere of tension to Russian life. People break into strong stores and bump into each other with fish said in combative expression. You have to understand, sign a kind, gray-haired person, that for as long as we can remember, shopping has been a strongly, life is a strongly. Number 7. 3 is hardly any effective advertising to help shoppers. Americans complain about the constant commercial in the United States, but they might reconsider if they were exposed to the consumer boycott in Russia. A typical Soviet and might be, if you want to live to arrive all egg and be beautiful modest, strong and truthful currency, most newspaper public without a or the shopper has no handy yellow page or daily newspaper, supermarket or department store, and to help her decide where to shop. Number 8. Blueberry is with a spread, low pine, 16 US dollar.